Good morning, friends. This is our second lecture on matrices. Matrix मध्ये आज आपण how to find inverse by using transformation method हे पाहणार आहोत. इनवर्स बाय ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन मेथडने पाहत असताना आपण इथे दोन वेगवेगळे एक्झाम्पल घेणार आहोत. वन इज ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 and other is of order 3. How to get the inverse of matrix by using transformation method of order 2. एक एक्झाम्पल मी तुम्हाला इथे घेऊन दाखवतो. This is the example of order 2 in which we have to find its inverse by using transformation method, and for that our first step is we write the property A into A inverse is equal to I. Everyone know matrix multiplied to its inverse, then we get identity matrix, so we use the property A into A inverse is equal to I. Instead of A we have to write matrix A, which is 1 2 2 minus 1. Then A inverse is equal to I means identity matrix of order 2 1 0 0 1. Now here we choose the suitable operation to convert the matrix A into identity matrix, and similar operation is apply on the right hand side identity matrix. We get inverse of that matrix. For that, here identity matrix in which the first element is 1 and which is already given in the matrix, so we apply the second operation on the element A to 1. ह्या सेकंड रो मधल्या फर्स्ट एलिमेंट साठी आपण इथे ऑपरेशन अप्लाय करणार आहोत. A to 1. How to convert this element 2 into 0? Everyone know 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we apply the transformation by using the step of transformation. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. याचा अर्थ असा की सेकंड रोवर ऑपरेशन आहे आणि तो ऑपरेशन आपण R1 सोबत घेणार आहोत. कशा प्रकारे घेणार आहोत R1 सोबत? R2 minus 2R1. R1 च्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार and that element subtract from the corresponding element of R2. R2 मधून subtract करणार तो element. So this first row as it is 1 and 2. The operation on second row. The operation on second row. R2 चा एलिमेंट 2 2 minus 2 corresponding element 1 आहे. 1 ला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 2 येते. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Now the second element minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 into 2 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. This calculation also you have to shown on the rough page, calculate on the rough page, and then you have to write there. A inverse, the same operation is apply on the right hand side of matrix. Here first row as it is 1 0. The operation on second row, R2 element 0 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, like this. Then our next operation, convert this minus 5 means A to 2, this element into 0. Now how to convert this element into 0? Now sorry 1. How to convert this element into 1 minus 5? There is another operation. Multiply the matrix elements of a matrix by non-zero scalar, means k into Ri. Here we multiply its reciprocal minus 1 by 5 into R2. अगेन R2 वर ऑपरेशन, R2 च्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला -1/5 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, or it divide by -5. Means first row as it is 1 2, 0 divided by 5 0, -5 divided by -5 1. The same operation calculate on the right hand side. First row as it is 1 0, -2 divided by -5 is equal to 2/5, and 1 divided by -5 is equal to -1/5. Again, now convert this element 2, means first row madla second element A12, this element into 0, means matrix A is fully converted into identity matrix, and we get solution answer, inverse of matrix A. To convert this 2 into 0, again the operation on second row, R1 implies R1 minus 2R2. R1 implies R1 minus 2R2. This first row operation, R1 1, 1 minus 2 into 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 2 minus 2 0, second row as it is 0 1, A inverse is equal to, the operation also perform on a right hand side. Now here are some fraction number. We have to calculate this fraction properly. Addition आणि subtraction या fraction ची properly करायलाच पाहिजे. R1 minus 2 into R2. R1 minus 2 into R2 means R1 minus 2 into 2/5. If you calculate it, then we get 1/5. 0 negative positive, 0 plus 2/5 is equal to 2/5. Second row madle element as it is, this 2/5 and minus 1/5. Now here we get result. How to get result? See here, this is the identity matrix A inverse, I into A inverse, again by property it is equal to A inverse, which is equal to 1/5. Here in every element of matrix there is a 5 in denominator, so we take 5 common, 1/5, then we get in matrix 1 2 2 minus 1, 1 2 and 2 minus 1. In this way you get the inverse of matrix A inverse is equal to 1/5, 1 2 2 minus 1. I think everyone understand how to find inverse of order 2 matrix. Now we take another example, the inverse of order 3 matrix. See, here we write the next example, the inverse of order 3 matrix. We have to take one matrix, matrix A, whose order is 3 and elements are 2 0 minus 1, 5 1 0 and 0 1 3. Find the inverse of this matrix. Also everyone know, remember, some calculated part you have to calculate on the rough page. जो आपण सर्वात शेवटी फ्रॅक्शनची ॲडिशन सबट्रॅक्शन वगैरे केलेला आहे तो रफ पेजवर सुद्धा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. फर्स्ट वी राईट A into A inverse is equal to I. Now matrix A, 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3. A inverse is equal to I, identity matrix of order 3. Like this. Order 3 चा identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now apply the transformation, apply the operation on this matrix such that this first element is converted into 1. The operation is on first row, so we write R1. The operation is like this, 3R1 minus R2. 3R1 minus R2 means फर्स्ट रोच्या एलिमेंटला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर 3 2 जा 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And this operation is also performed on a right hand side. See, 6 minus 5, 1. 3 into 0, 0, 0 minus 1, minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 3 minus 0, minus 3. Second and third row as it is 5 1 0 0 1 3. A inverse. The same operation is performed on right hand side. 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, and this 0 as it is 0 minus 0 0. The same operation 3R1 minus R2 is also performed on right hand side. Now convert this element 5 into 0. हा element 5 ला 0 मध्ये convert करायचा आहे. How to convert this element 5 into 0? Now operation is on R2. Apply second row operation. Which type of operation we have to apply? R2 minus 5R1. Multiply that number to the first row, and if the same sign then subtract, opposite sign then add. Like this. मग इथे first row as it is 1 minus 1 minus 3. Second row operation. सेकंड रोवर ऑपरेशन कशा प्रकारे सांगितलं आहे तुम्हाला. R2 minus 5R1. R2 5, 5 minus 5 0. R2 1, 1 plus 5 6, minus minus plus, negative negative positive, 0 plus 15 15. And third row as it is. The same operation is performed on a right hand side. Same operation. First row as it is 3 minus 1 0. Second row operation R2 minus 5R1. 0 minus 15 minus 15. 1 plus 5 6. 0 plus 0 0. And third row again as it is. Now convert this element into 1. How to convert this element into 1? See, apply the operation on R2. Which type of operation? हा element 1 करताना तुम्हाला सांगितलं ऑपरेशन इज ऑलवेज टेक ऑन थर्ड रो. थर्ड रो सोबत ऑपरेशन करायचं. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So R2 minus 5R3. R3 ला जर 5 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर काय मिळणार तुम्हाला तिथे? 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 मिळून जाणार. सी फर्स्ट रो एज इट इज 1 minus 1 minus 3. Second row operation R2 minus 5R3. 0 minus 0 0. 6 minus 5 1. 15 minus 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. 15 minus 15 0. Again third row as it is. The same operation perform on right hand side matrix. First row as it is 3 minus 1 0. Second row operation R2 minus 5R3. Minus 15 plus 0 minus 15. 6 minus 0 6, and 0 minus 5 minus 5. Third row again as it is. Third row 0 0 1. Now again perform such a type of operation by which the upper and lower element of this second column are 0. Sometimes we take two operation also on same at a time. बघा इथे मी दोन ऑपरेशन एकाच वेळेस करत आहे. ऑपरेशन कशा प्रकारचे आहेत? यूज R1 वर ऑपरेशन फर्स्ट रो वर R1 प्लस R2 मायनस 1 प्लस 1 0 होणार अँड R3 वर ऑपरेशन R3 minus R2 plus 1 minus 1 again 0. From this matrix, ह्या matrix वर आपण minus 1 plus 1 0 1 minus 1 0 म्हणजे R1 plus R2 आणि R3 minus R2 हे ऑपरेशन आपण इथे करणार आहोत. तर हे दोन्ही मॅट्रिक्स कन्सिडर्ड करून आपण पुढची स्टेप सॉल्व करत आहोत. फर्स्ट रोवर ऑपरेशन 1 minus 0 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 and minus 3 0 minus 3. Our second row and third row operation R3 minus R1 R3 minus R2 R3 minus R2 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 1 0 and 3 minus 0 3 like this. The same operation perform on right hand side. पहिला आहे R1 plus R2 if you see here R1 and R2 their addition 3 minus 15 minus 12 minus 1 plus 6 5 means minus 12 5 and minus 5. Similarly, second row as it is minus 15 6 minus 5. Third row operation R3 minus R2 R3 0 0 plus 15 15 0 minus 6 minus 6 and last operation 1 negative positive 1 plus 5 6 and ते एलिमेंट आपण इथे थर्ड रो मध्ये 15 minus 6 6 लिहून घेतले. नाउ कन्वर्ट दिस कॉर्नर एलिमेंट इनटू 1. हा कॉर्नरचा एलिमेंट 1 करताना खूप इझी मेथड आहे. वी हॅव टू यूज द ऑपरेशन K इंटू RI म्हणजे ज्या रो मधल्या एलिमेंट करायचा आहे त्याला त्याच्या रेसिप्रोकलने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं 1/3 इंटू R3 1/3 इंटू R3. See first row as it is 1 0 minus 3. Second row again as it is 0 1 0 and third row divided by 3 0 upon 3 0 and 3 upon 3 1. The same operation is performed on right hand side. First row as it is 12 5 minus 5 minus 15 6 minus 5 and third row divided by 3 3 5s are 15 3 2s are 6. Now convert lastly this element remaining one element into 0 minus 3. The element in the first row, so operation on row first and this operation is done with third row, so R1 plus 3 R3 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करून त्याच्यामध्ये ऍडिशन केली तर आन्सर येणार 0. बरोबर आहे. मग हा ऑपरेशन आपण इथे परफॉर्म करणार आहोत. कशा प्रकारे परफॉर्म करणार आहोत पहा. मॅट्रिक्स फर्स्ट ओवर ऑपरेशन 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 0 0 minus 3 plus 3 0 means our left hand side and matrix A is converted into identity matrix. The same operation is applied on the right hand side. R1 plus 3 R3 R1 minus 12 plus 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 1 and second and third row as it is minus 15 6 minus 5 like this. And lastly, I into A inverse is equal to matrix A inverse, which is equal to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. Like this we get the inverse of matrix. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला त्या मॅट्रिक्सचा इनवर्स मिळून जाईल. ओके, सेम डू ऑन युअर बुक्स different types of examples. That examples you have to also write in your notebook, and other different example also take and solve it by using transformation method and adjoint method. Okay, also we take another example, inverse of matrix of order 2. The matrix A is 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. This is the another example of order 2 matrix, ज्याचा इनवर्स आपण ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन मेथडने फाइंड आउट करत आहोत. पहिला एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला फक्त सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल एक्सप्लेन करून सांगितला होता. हा एक्झाम्पल पुन्हा सॉल्व करून दाखवत आहे, लक्ष द्या. First we write the property A into A inverse is equal to I. Here the matrix A 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. A inverse is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. First convert this element into 1. रो 1 वर ऑपरेशन आहे R1 plus R2. See here, R1 plus R2 केलं की इथे 1 मिळून जाणार. 2 plus minus 1 1 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to also 1. Second row as it is, and the same transformation, same operation is used on right hand side. 1 plus 0 1 0 plus 1 1. Now convert this second element into 0. Second element row 2 चा आहे R2 plus R1. First row as it is 1 1. R2 plus R1 minus 1 plus 1 0 2 plus 1 3. A inverse, the same operation perform on a right hand side. First row as it is 1 1, R2 plus R1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 2. Now convert this corner element into 1. Again use K into R2. K means reciprocal of that number. So first row as it is 0 divided by 3 0. 3 divided by 3 1, and the same operation perform on right hand side. First row as it is, second row divided by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3, like this. Now convert this element A 1 2 into 0, means operation is on first row. How to apply this operation? R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 0. So 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 1 0. In this way our matrix is converted, matrix A converted into identity matrix. Same transformation is applied on the right hand side. When the transformation is applied on the right hand side, some calculation is there, fraction. That calculation we have to done on the rough page. See here, that calculation is done on the rough edge. R1 minus R2, R1 चा एलिमेंट होता 1 minus R2 1 by 3 fraction 3 1 are 3 minus 1 2 by 3 means first element is our 2 by 3. Second element साठी is पुन्हा same 1 minus 2 by 3 again 3 1s are 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1 by 3. Second element 1 by 3 and second row चे element as it is. Here every element of right hand side matrix is contain 3 is in denominator, so your answer is like this: I into A is equal to A inverse 1 by 3 taking common. If you take 1 by 3 as a common, then in the matrix 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2. And in this way we have to get the inverse of order 2 matrix lastly 1 2 3 1 2. Okay, thank you.